Hey, hi. Have you noticed something about the salesperson? One big deal they close, they suddenly feel high, unstoppable. One deal they lose, they start questioning themselves. Do you know why this happens? Why does this profession built on numbers create such an emotional instability? Let me explain this through something that you all understand: cricket. Imagine Virat Kohli coming into bat. The first match, he scores 100. The next match, he gets out in zero, duck. Now tell me, does this duck define him or his long term discipline define him? That is exactly an emotional trap a salesperson falls into. Now let's decode this emotional trap from confidence to collapse and let us learn how we can break it. When you close a big deal, you feel validated, you feel powerful, and you feel respectful. Recognition increases, visibility increases, the brain starts releasing something called as dopamine. And you start believing, I have cracked it. This is something similar to a cricketer scoring a century. Crowd cheering, media praising, confidence at the highest level. But here's the danger. If confidence is only built on outcomes, that is very fragile because outcome fluctuates. Every cricketer does not score 100 in every match. But as salespeople, we expect ourselves to always outperform. After a win, expectations increases. Can you do this again next month? Target increases. Internal pressure increases. Expectations are at high. Just like cricket, after scoring a century, expectations double. And every innings feels like an exam. And fear quietly enters. And you start feeling, can I sustain this performance? The fear is subtle but powerful because now you're not playing to perform, but you're playing to protect your image. And for the salesperson, when the next deal doesn't close or it goes to competition, the energy suddenly drops. Self-talk becomes harsh, comparison begins. The internal dialogue changes from I can do this to maybe I just got lucky. This is just like Virat Kohli after scoring a duck goes back to the dressing room and says, I don't belong here. This is emotional overreaction, and professionals understand this very differently. One innings does not define your career. However, in sales, many professionals let 1 month define their identity. This is where collapse begins, not externally but internally. When rejection is not processed properly, the calls reduce, the pipeline shrinks, the follow-ups vanishes, and leaders think it's a performance issue. But what is really happening? Emotional contraction. The salesperson is not incapable, but he is protecting his self-worth. And this is the most dangerous stage because it feels like laziness. However, it is an emotional setback. So, how do you break this cycle? Let's go back to the cricket and see how legends perform. Consistency of process, daily net practice, fitness discipline, and technical correction. No emotional drama. And the same thing applies in sales. Stabilize after a win. Celebrate but don't inflate your identity. Normalize losses. Losing is probability and not incompetence. Build process confidence. Ask yourself, did I process this with discipline? When confidence is built on process and not outcomes, it is more stable. So, sales is not for emotionally impulsive people. It is for people who are emotionally disciplined. If your confidence rises and falls with every outcome, you are always emotionally exhausted. Even the great cricketers don't let one match define them. The question is, do you? For more such powerful contents, like, share, and subscribe to this channel.